Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial here about how to make a sculpture from a 3D model. So here we got today cut out pieces of cardboard from the laser cutter place. Now we're going to assemble those pieces to come up with the contour of the sculpture. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below. And if you like this video, please subscribe. And also like and share this video. So over here, as you can see, I'm sorting out the cards. So I'm sorting them out with respect to their numbers. So closer numbers are stacked against each other. So it'll become easier for me to stack them up together later because, for example, over here, as you can see, number 92, I stack 92 to 93. Then to 94, then it goes on, and also under it will be 90, then 89, then 80, 87, then 86, and so on up to 0. So this stacking up phase. Over here you can see I started stacking up the cards using a pin. I started from the leg. You don't start from the middle, you start from either from the leg or the head. So I started from the leg, and as you can see, I'm using a pin. So here we have 23.2. So the reason we have 23.2 is because there is 23.1. So when the software makes a cut, if on the same layer there are two places to be cut, it labels one as 1 and the other one as 2. There might be like different cuts, like 3 cuts, 4 cuts in the same plane, but for this specific section there is 2 cuts because this is the leg side. So on the leg there's the leg 1 and there's the leg 2, so that's why there's the hyphen 2 here. As you can see here, the 2 legs end up joining each other at the top. So for example, as this picture, so it becomes one plane, like 44, then it keeps going to 45, 46 until maybe at some point it becomes, I don't know, 58 1 and 58 2, but at this point it's just one plane. Yeah, as you can see here, 81 1 and 81 2. So around the hip area it splits into 2, the leg. Then around the groin area it joins back to 1. So I made the model hollow inside because I didn't want to waste too much material, and also I didn't want it to be heavy. This particular model was heavy because it was stacked up pretty neatly, like there's a lot of details to it, so it was heavy as it is. Imagine if it were solid. Alright guys, thank you for watching. In the next video I'll be showing you how I made the fiberglass section of the sculpture. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions. Alright, cheers.